One of the biggest attributes for Bill's success has been the energy that he pours into whatever he's got in front of him. The energy to chase the next evolution of the product that he's maybe manufacturing. Bill's always had an interest in not just manufacturing something or making a profit. It's always been about how can I do this better, faster. That's more the challenge than the profit or how big I can get. It's a challenge to do a really good job and do it in a way that allows him to put his engineering mind to task and continuously improve whatever he's working on.
I actually married my job. My wife Margaret is the daughter of Henry Redekop, who owned Redekop Lumber and Almar Distributors. I was studying at Western University, taking my MBA. During the second year, we decided we'd take an extended holiday to Europe. At the tail end of that trip, my in-laws joined us. After a couple of days, my father-in-law told us about the fact that his manager had quit on him at Almar and that he was offering me this job at Almar, with the proviso also that I might someday be able to buy a portion of the business. I worked for him for 7 years, and after 7 years, he made me an offer. And I should say, made us an offer. And I thought it was going to take us about 5 years to pay it out. And obviously the economy was really good. We had good people, we had good product, we had a good company, and we paid it off in 1.5 years. I love to see how things are made and how things happen. I love to have an idea, and I like to see it come to fruition and be successful. At Wilmar Windows, we were in a full line of windows. We had an economy window for the track builder. We had high-end windows for the custom builders. With my engineering background, I really love design. I like to get into the product end of it. We actually designed a window with an R12 rating, which is quite exceptional. And we also were probably the first in Canada to produce a window that was copper clad, and that was a big market in the Phoenix area.
Bill's passion extends beyond building businesses and watching them grow. Bill and his wife Margaret are actively involved in a non-profit organization, IDE, which focuses on bringing water to $1 a day farmers, which will double the farmer's income in the first year and more than double it in the years ahead. They have enjoyed global travel to the IDE-supported countries such as Zambia, Cambodia, and 12 other countries.
Bill has a very collaborative business style. He loves to engage with other people. He loves to have his employees part of the decision-making process, and whether that's on the shop floor and making decisions about how to manufacture an item, or to make a decision in the boardroom about the direction of the company. It's collaborative, it's engaging, and wants as many opinions as he can, not only to make a best decision, but also to make sure his employees are involved in that decision.
We basically serviced the Manitoba market to begin with, and then we moved on to, moved west, went to Regina, Saskatoon, Calgary, Edmonton, went to Chilliwack, and went east, went to Gananoque, and then we started selling into the US. When I started with Almar, which had the building supply division and the window division, we were doing about $1 million worth of business. And in 1997, when we sold it, we were doing about 90 million. And we had about 1,000 employees. I've always had some wonderful people working with me. And a lot of them long-term people. I personally think I was a pretty good boss. I liked my people. I think basically my people liked me and trusted me.
Congratulations to Bill Fast for receiving the 2013 CME Hall of Fame Award.